Welcome to session number 22 of the Word Power Made Easy. Now we are going to in sequence of understanding the words related to the action. Now let us study more words about the origin and the roots from where these words is coming from. For example, titillate. The word titillate. What is the meaning of the titillate? Titillate means it comes from the Latin words and it is coming from the Latin words called tickle. Tickle. Tickle means something which is giving you a little bit of pleasure. So titillate means by gentle touch in a strategic places or very pleasant physical touch. So when somebody touch someone with a very soft and it will create a titillation in the others, then it is called titillation. You can use the words titillations in light sexual simulations. So remember, in titillation, T-I-T-I-double-L-A-T-E. So there are two T and two I in titillate. How to flatter? If somebody is flattering you, praise you, and adore you, so you have to use the word adulation. Adulation is a flattery and worship. Musicians, government, official, entertainers who receives a widespread adulations. For example, teacher is adulated by students. When students love some teacher too much, they like their teachings, they like the nature, so they are using the word adulated. Wife is adulated by husband. So adulated means excessive praise, excessive worship. Therefore, you have to use the word adulterate, A-D-U-L-A-T-E-D. Proscribe. We already discussed about the proscribe. Proscribe means to forbid commonly used medical, religious and legal prohibitions. For example, in religious, there is a list, do's and don'ts. So when they are putting emphasis on the don'ts, it means they are proscribing something. When you go to a medical doctor and you are suffering from the sugar or a diabetes, and the doctor is advising you not to eat cake, pastry, ice cream, sugar, it means the doctor is prescribing your diets. In a legal subject, there are certain things that you should not do. You have to take a precautions. So that is the words means not to do something. It means you are prescribing. A doctor prescribes food, drug or activity that might be harmful to the patient. So prescribes is coming from pro plus scribe. Pro means before, scribe means write. In a similar manner, manuscript. So scribe means to write and script means to write, and menu means hand. So something which is handwritten is known as manuscript. Subscribe. Sub means under and scribe means to write. When you are subscribing means write one name under contract. So for example, when you are subscribing a journal, it means you are giving the name to the company to send a journal every month. So you are subscribing it. Subway. In a metro cities, when two roads are there, two parallel roads are there, and you want to go from one side to the another side, you have to follow the subway. So it is underpass. Inscribe. In means into and scribe means to write. So if there is a stone or a metal sheet and you are writing your name, you are engraving your name, it means you are inscribing it. Postscribe. Post means after and to write. So when something happens and then you are going to write, then it is known as postscribe. In a similar manner, there is a scribe which is coming in various words like describe, inscribe, proscribe. Obvious. O-B-V-I-O-U-S. Obvious means very much noticeable, very much visible. So it is V-I. V-I, via means by way of road. Obvious. Obvious means something very conspicuous, means it is very visible, not hidden. So it is a obvious. Sometimes you say, shall I take this pen? Obviously, means of course yes. Obvious, right there in the middle of the road where no one can fail to see. So it is very obvious to see that this information is given by so and so person. Obvious means it is very clear. It is very clear that nobody can unnotice it. So it is known as obvious. Now obviate. Obviate means out of road, derail or to do away with. Means when you are not following the track and you are derailing yourself, then it is known as obviate. Obviate your income, obviate your study. It means you are avoiding. So obviate means to avoid something. Avoid something. Trivial. Trivial means tri. Tri means three. Where three roads intersect. So let's say this road, and this road. So this is called tri. Means 1, 2 and 3. You are likely to find busy traffic because cars are coming here, cars are coming from this side, cars are coming from this side. So obviously there is more traffic at this particular junction. Lots of people in a short or a fairly public place. So you are not going to talk of important or confidential matter. So normally where more number of peoples are there, you will try to avoid talking something very secret, something which is very important or something which is very confidential, lest somebody should overhear. So you are avoiding talking. So trivial means unimportant, very small, very ordinary. So unimportant. Militate. Militate is derived from the milites. Milites is a Latin word. It means a soldier. Militate against you, fight against you. Militate is always followed by the preposition against. So whenever you see militate, then the next word is automatically against. Militate against you. First the bad news, malign. Malign is actually coming from malus. Malus is a Latin word. The meaning of malus means bad or evil. Adjective, malign, harmful, evil, hateful. Malignant, it is also harmful, evil or hateful. Malignant. Malignant means hatred attitude or feeling. N-A-N-T. Malignant. Malignant growth means if there is a cancer and the tumor is increasing, then you can say it is a malignant growth. Malignity, when you are using the words ity in malignity, malignity, it becomes a noun. The root word dico or dictus means dico or dictus. It means to say something or to tell something. So malediction. Now what is the word which is coming? DIC. It means to say something bad, because MALA, this up to here, it is bad, and DIC means to say. So when you say something bad, it is known as malediction. Malevolent. Malevolent. So here the word VOL. VOL. It means to wish, and male means bad. When you wish bad to someone, then it is called as malevolent. Next, root word facio. FACIO. Facio means to do or to make. Maleficent. So what is the word? FICE. FIC. So you have the word fish. It means to do something bad. So maleficent. Male means bad. FIC means to do. So maleficent means to do something bad, something evil. Maleficent act, maleficent deed, maleficent behavior. If somebody is doing everything bad, then you can say you have a maleficent behavior or your attitude is maleficent. Maladroit, so we know adroit. Adroit means skill and mala means bad. So when you are clumsy, bulging, awkward, unskillful, then you can say you are maladroit. Bad right hand. Now here is a etymology, and on the first table the prefix, suffix and root word is given. In the second table the meaning of this particular root word is written, and you have to find out the proper word which is used in English using this root word or a prefix or a suffix. So ORY, so you can say factory. Factory. Scribe, so you are right, and scribe. Then describe using the word D. Menus, so you can use the word manuscript. Script means to write, menu means by hand. Sub, so you can say subway or subscribe. In, so you can word inscribe. Postscribe, something written after. Via, via means road. Via means so road, so trivial. Tri means three, so you can also use the word trivial. Militis, so you can say militates, and when there is a militates, the preposition is always against. Malus means bad, so malevolent. Dico means to say something, so malediction. Malevolent. Volo means to wish and malo means to bad. Facio, male, F-A-C-I-E-N-T. Maleficent. Maleficent means something which is bad or bad attitude. Militancy, so A-N-C-Y. Next, here is a word, and here in one table there is a English word, and in another table there is a description or little written in a simple language. You have to find out which one is the correct combination. So titillation, we already know titillation means a pleasurable simulation or ticking, so here it is 1. Next, adulation. Adulation means worship or excessive flattery or praise, so adulation. Proscription. Proscriptions means prohibition. Then malignity, militancy. Militancy means aggressiveness. Then number 5, malignity. Malignity means hateful or harmfulness, then it is known as malignity. Malediction. Malediction means a curse. If you are cursing someone, it is called malediction. Diction, here DIC means to say or to talk. Maladroitness. Maladroitness. Maladroitness means clumsiness. Obviation. Obviation. Malediction means curse, and maladroitness Maladroitness means clumsiness. Obviation. Obviation means prevention or fact or act of making unnecessary or doing away with. So it is known as obviation. 9. Malevolence. Malevolence, quality of wishing evil. So 9. And malice. Malice means vague feeling or bodily discomfort. Malice. Next, same thing. On one hand there is a vocab and on the other hand there is a description or simple way to explain something. So let's say adultery. Adultery means if you are worshipping or adoring or flattery or praising someone, then it is known as adultery. 2h, 2 means proscriptive. Proscriptive means relating or pertaining to prohibition. So that is called proscription. Militant. Militant means aggressive, fighting. Malign. Malign. Malign means bad, harmful or hurtful. Trivial. Trivial means of no great consequences. It means something is very ordinary. So it is known as trivial. Maledictory. Maledictory, of the nature of curse. Maledictory, of the nature of curse. Malevolent. Malevolent, bearing ill wish or wishing harm. Then it is known as malevolent. Maladroit. Maladroit means clumsy or awkward. Then this is called maladroit. Mala means bad and adroit means skillful. Next, there is a statement and you have to agree with the statement depending upon the words which is given in a green italic. So you need to understand the meaning and decide whether the statement is correct or not. Does a malignant look indicate kindly feeling? Malignant means bad look. So no. Is a cancer sometimes called malignancy? Yes. Are trivialities important? Trivialities means small matter. So no. If your house is cluttered with trivia, are these objects of great value? Trivia means very ordinary. So they are of not great importance. Do people enjoy maledictions hurled at them? No. People dislike the malediction. Is a maleficent act likely to cause harm or hurt? Maleficent means something bad. So bad thing is definitely harmful. Maladroitness shows skill. Mala means bad and adroitness means skill. So bad skill never talk about the skill. It is known as unskilled. Is a malefactor a wrongdoer? Yes. Does an adultery attitude shows the exaggerated admiration? Yes. Is militancy the same as passiveness? Militancy means you are against something. You are very aggressive about certain things. And passiveness means you are not doing anything. So this is not matched properly. So no. Next, here is the description given and you need to find out the correct English vocab. For example, clumsy or awkward. So clumsy or awkward. Then it is known as maladroit. Bearing ill will or wish. Wish means wall. So malevolent. Malevolent. Pleasurable stimulation. So TT late. A person aggressive fighting for a cause. Then he is known as militant. Prohibition against something injurious. then you can say it is proscribed not to do certain thing. Excessive flattery, exaggerated admiration, so adulation. Vague feeling of general physical discomfort, then you can say malice. A criminal or a wrongdoer, then you can say malefactor. A curse, then malediction. A crime, bad or evil act behavior, malefaction. Same exercise, here is the description on one side, and then there is a proper English word that you have to write with the one word which is already been given. So let's say a fact or act of making unnecessary or taking effective steps towards prevention, obviate, aggressive attitude, militant, harmful, hateful or bad, malign, unimportant, insignificant, trivial, unimportant, insignificant string, trifles, trivialities, cursing of nature or relating to the curse, maledictory, worship, adultery. So here we are ending the session number 22. I am going to put the PDF file in the description box. You have to download the PDF file and practice on the PDF file itself. Every exercise is followed by the answers. So try to write the answer on your own. When you are having a confusion, you can see the answer and repeat this practice again and again till you master the vocab. So thank you very much. We are going to see you again in session number 23. Till that time, bye bye.